Tech world is disturbed, the time when ChatGPT was created by OpenAI. Can I lose my job and become jobless? We will discuss this in details. ChatGPT is a fascinating topic in the tech world nowadays. Recently, it managed to clear MBA examination, US medical licensing examination, which has truly shaken human minds across the world. Many people feel that this is a threat to the world and take away many works. It appears that mythical entity is suddenly created and making havoc in tech world and can gobble up our jobs. But is there any truth to this? Will there be any impacts on our workplace? Let us see this. Will business be affected due to ChatGPT? Business has many administrative works and it can make it simple and easy. It can also write rough guidelines for actual speeches, but you have to teach him what you want. Sales and marketing professionals depend on big data and AI because software can identify potential buyers, but sales still requires personal touch, and so ChatGPT cannot impact to our business now. How does ChatGPT impact to writers? Many feel that it may create negative impact to writers. ChatGPT can write report, essays, articles, blogs by itself. Human mind is not required. But is ChatGPT creative and innovative? This one critical parameter of human brain which cannot be replaced by ChatGPT. It follows a specific pattern and produces similar kind of monotonous writing pattern. As it is recently launches and have limited database, this is not a threat to content writers and journalists now. But it is expanding its database and so can do excel in routine kind of work like making sale pitches or creating meeting plan. ChatGPT has huge potential in writing and it is not capable of replace human mind, but it can automate repetitive kind of works. Will it impact IT professionals or programmers? It can generate codes, but it cannot write complex codes. ChatGPT can find out errors in the codes and make necessary correction. As it does not have creative mind and based on data that is stored in the servers, it is not as efficient as human minds. But it is efficient in repetitive kind of tasks which will help programmers to leave small tasks and focus on more complex codes or tasks. How does ChatGPT affect people involved in educational field? A teacher has vast experience when he or she is teaching to the students. Teachers know each and every students and their capability, but ChatGPT is a system-based tool and will always fail to connect with the students. Students will miss warmness while learning from ChatGPT. It is similar to the interaction with books or any writing articles. You may not understand ChatGPT clearly. Sometimes you will feel that you are confused and completely lost. While ChatGPT is a good innovation in tech world, but it cannot replace teachers or professors completely. So where we are standing? How does future look? ChatGPT is an AI tool which will become better day by day. It has its own limitation. ChatGPT can do routine work efficiently and it will help employees to do other complex tasks. As ChatGPT is in early stage and it will become better in the future, it may replace lower level jobs first and then it will impact people who are at higher level. It will not happen immediately. This video is for educational purpose only. Please subscribe and like my channel. This will motivate me and you will get all videos automatically in the future. Please share my video to your friends and relatives. Please press bell button too. Thank you and take care.